Beginning with a traditional welcome, we invite you to enjoy the many pleasures that come with our revitalized fleet. Discover our signature in-flight service, combined with our revitalized fleet, to create the Garuda Indonesia experience.
Within the global airline industry, Southeast Asia's carriers have long set the benchmarks for service excellence. Among these carriers, Garuda Indonesia is the latest rising star. Born during Indonesia's struggle for independence, Garuda Indonesia has a proud history of over 60 years serving as the national flag carrier. In 2009, Garuda Indonesia carried more than 11 million passengers and posted over $110 million in net profit. These excellent achievements were the result of a remarkable business transformation by Garuda Indonesia, culminating in 2009 with a brand refresh involving new aircraft livery and cabin interiors, as well as new cabin crew uniforms. At the same time, the airline introduced the Garuda Indonesia Experience, a comprehensive service concept that reflects the best in Indonesian hospitality and is delivered at all customer touchpoints. Garuda Indonesia currently offers some 2,000 domestic and international flights each week. Within Indonesia, the airline maintains an extensive flight network connecting more than 31 destinations throughout the vast archipelago of the fourth most populous country in the world. Meanwhile, its regional and international routes include scheduled flights to major cities in Asia, Australia, the Middle East and Europe. Regular flights to Amsterdam, having resumed since June 1, 2010, herald planned flights to other major European destinations. Garuda Indonesia aims to sustain growth and has embarked on an aggressive fleet expansion program called Quantum Leap. According to this scenario, by 2014, the fleet will consist of 116 aircraft, comprising Boeing 737-800 NGs for domestic routes, Airbus A330-200 and 300 series for medium-haul flights, and Boeing 777-300ERs for long-haul destinations. In further recognition of Garuda Indonesia's fine achievements, Skytrax in 2010 has conferred a status of 4-star airline, as well as the award for the world's most improved airline. Thus, Garuda Indonesia is wholly prepared to proceed with plans to join a major global airlines alliance in the near term. Most recently, in a survey by the Center for Asia-Pacific Aviation, or CAPA, Garuda Indonesia was chosen as Southeast Asia's best carrier in terms of service quality, outscoring even 5-star carriers. It is a fitting accolade for Garuda Indonesia's successful turnaround story in a continuing journey that promises even stronger results in the extraordinary years ahead.
Stand by you for country and for home.
Untuk terbang lebih tinggi, kita harus memulai dari darat, di mana setiap karyawan memiliki peran yang penting dan menentukan. Dalam mencapai hasil terbaik dan menjamin layanan berkualitas.
Untuk fly high, kita harus bekerja cepat, tepat, dan akurat. Yang telat ditinggal.
Cepat, tepat, akurat. Dalam efisiensi dan efektivitas operasi, serta kesehatan keuangan perusahaan.
Kalau kita semua bersikap hemat dan efisien, pasti kita akan terbang tinggi.
Let's fly high!
Hemat.
Let's fly high.
Untuk memastikan kelancaran operasi dan keselamatan penerbangan.
Disiplin dan bertanggung jawab, kunci keselamatan untuk terbang tinggi. Fly high.
Disiplin. Dalam meningkatkan dan mempertahankan konsistensi kualitas layanan.
Moto kita, kerja keras, cerdas, dan tuntas. Fly high!
Bekerja keras, cerdas, dan tuntas.
We will show the way. Let's fly high.
Untuk membina kesetiaan pelanggan melalui sikap dan tindakan yang tulus.
Dengan keramahan, dengan senyum hangat, dengan sikap bersahabat, tugas lebih lancar dan kita terbang lebih tinggi.
Ramah, hangat, bersahabat. Untuk menjadikan pelanggan sebagai prioritas utama dan pusat perhatian.
Semakin tanggap dan proaktif, semakin cepat kita terbang tinggi.
Tanggap, proaktif.
Let's fly high!
Tanggap dan proaktif.
We will show the way. Let's fly high.
Untuk menjadi partner terpercaya yang mengutamakan kepuasan pelanggan.
To be creative and innovative, that's our commitment.
Fly high to the sky.
Kreatif dan inovatif. Dalam melayani kolega dan mengutamakan kesejahteraan bersama.
Dengan selalu jujur, tulus, dan terbuka, kita membantu sesama karyawan untuk terbang tinggi.
Jujur, tulus, dan terbuka.
Let's fly high.
Untuk bersikap hati-hati, serta menjamin keamanan, keselamatan, dan kenyamanan.
Dengan menjaga kerahasiaan perusahaan, kita melindungi Garuda terbang tinggi. Fly high.
Menjaga kerahasiaan perusahaan. Dalam menjaga integritas, harkat, dan martabat perusahaan.
Mari konsisten dan patuh pada aturan perusahaan.
Mari bersama terbang tinggi.
Konsisten dan patuh pada aturan perusahaan.
We will show the way. Let's fly high.